This is a big fish. Let's see if this fish weighs. Look at the size of that thing, guys. On the Nutechlures Nujig. Right on the roof of the mouth. Get a weight. That's what I'm talking about, guys. 4 pounds, 3 ounces. Get her unhooked. Around the roof of the mouth. Look at that, guys. Monster. Get a picture of her really quick. First fish of the day. I've been fishing a good hour or so. Alright. 4'3", man. Huh? 4 pounds, 3 ounces.
Check that out.
Tank. First fish in like, been here like 2.5 hours. First bite, finally.
You had to, I didn't even know you were over here.
Oh, I caught him off the dock, second dock on the shoreline. That's a tank.
Wow.
It's a big fish.
That's a monster, dude.
That's a real big fish. That paid off for sure.
Man, no doubt. That's what it's all
God,
about.
it took forever, but man.
It's worth it. I'm
Yeah.
trying to get in there.
Got one. There we go. Come here. Nutechlures Nujig. Raining. He's a small one, but this is my second bite of the day. There we go. On the roof of the mouth there. Finally another fish. Raining pretty good out. Get him back. In peanut butter and jelly color. It's raining pretty good, so I might sit in the car for a little bit, but we'll see if we can keep at them. I don't want to get too soaked. There's one. Got him. Another decent one, guys. Another decent one on that jig. There we go. Man. There we go. Oh, man. That Nutechlures Nujig. Oh, there you guys go. There he is, man. Nice fish. Jig is coming on now during the rain. There he goes. Hoo-yah! I was gonna say, don't get me stuck. I would have been pissed. Oh! Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Oh my God! On the Nutechlures Nujig. Little guy. My God, did he come flying up the shore like that? I don't want to hurt the little fella. Oh my God! There he is. There he goes. So on that PB&J Nutechlures Nujig. And I still have the Powerteamlures Craw D on there, spicy craw. Great combo right there, guys. Alright guys, I just had another hit on the Nujig. I set the hook, but he was off. He was swimming towards like underneath the dock. So I don't know if he'll still be there. Can't really see my line at the moment either. It makes it a little... The lighting's just off, where I can't really see anything. It's bright out, but I can't see. I think I'm blind. Got him! Got him! Yes! Yes, baby. Glad I turned the camera on. There we go. Decent one too. Get him, Nujig. That's what I'm talking about. Ah, right in the corner of the mouth. There you guys go. Good fish. He picked it up once and he hit it again. I'm gonna go down over here where it's easier. But not bad fish there. Nice. The rain's coming in again. Second wave of rain. I stayed out anyway because my feet are soaked. So I decided just to stay out and fish in the rain anyway. Who cares? There he is, good fish. Again, he hit it once and then he came back and got it again. I could not see my line, so it's hard to see if he picked it up or not. And I didn't feel it either. I just felt a little weight right off that yellow dock there. So we'll see if we get some more before it starts pouring and before it gets dark out. Not a long video, but some solid fish and one really big one. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see if we get some more.